Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa. وَاعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ وَلَا تُشْرِكُوا بِهِ شَيْئًا وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا وَبِذِي الْقُرْبَى وَالْيَتَامَى وَالْمَسَاكِينِ وَالْجَارِ ذِي الْقُرْبَى وَالْجَارِ الْجُنُبِ وَالصَّاحِبِ بِالْجَنبِ وَابْنِ السَّبِيلِ وَمَا مَلَكَتْ أَيْمَانُكُمْ إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يُحِبُّ مَنْ كَانَ مُخْتَالًا فَخُورًا. Translation: and worship Allah and do not associate anything with Him, and be kind to your parents and to near relatives and to orphans and to needy poor and to your near neighbor and to distant neighbor and companions at your side and destitute travelers and to slaves whom you rightly possess. Indeed, Allah does not love the proud, arrogant and boastful. In previous ayahs, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told us about the rights of the orphans, the rights of the women, the rights of the legal heirs, and how to distribute the wealth of inheritance, the right of the spouses. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded us to do the ihsan, the good dealing with those. And now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving all these rights in order that it should be given. The highest right on us is Allah's right, and Allah's right is this, that we worship Allah all our lives, all the time. We worship, no matter what we do it according to the commandments of Allah, and every act of our life will become worship if we do that according to the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that are explained to us by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And the biggest right of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is that we do not associate anyone with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. After Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's right, Allah explained the rights of the parents. And this is very important to understand, that right after the rights of Allah, the parents' right are explained, are commanded. And this is 4 times in Quran. And here also we see, right after the rights of Allah, Allah explained the rights of the parents. And then Allah is explaining the rights of the relatives and the rights of the orphans and the needy, and those relatives, especially those are our neighbors as well. And then among the neighbors, there are some neighbors that are very close to us and some neighbors are a little far. So the neighbors who are closer to us has more rights on us than the neighbors who are a little far. And then those people who are associated with us in any ways, if we are traveling and they are sitting next to us, they are a kind of neighbors too, and they should have the attitude of ihsan from us. And also those people who are traveling, now the people who are traveling could be our guests and living with us, and those people could be not our relatives and they don't live with us, but when we see them, we should do good acts with them, we should do ihsan with them. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that whatever our right hand possess, and it means not only the slave men and the slave women, but also the animals that we possess, and we should be kind to those animals as well. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in the end of the ayah that Allah does not love, does not like those who are proud, those who are arrogant and boastful. These people are always busy in themselves, and they are just busy in making more and more enjoyment and fun in their lives, even it costs someone to get hurt. So these people are not the desirable people, and we should try to avoid them and should never try to become like that. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.